Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with a new video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to activate comments on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, you have to open the YouTube app on your device and here log into your account. Once you're logged in, now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. You will land on your profile page. Now you have to select the video where you want to enable the commenting. So go to your video by tapping on your video from the interface. You will land on this page where you will be able to see all your posted videos on YouTube. Now select the video where you want to enable the commenting. From that video, tap on the three dot icon that you will see at the right side of your screen. Once you tap on there, a dialog box will pop up with multiple menus. From there, tap on edit. You will land on the edit page of that video. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have set the visibility from private to public, which means that anyone can search or view your video. So make sure that it is set to public. Now again, head back and tap on the audience. In here, if you have turned on yes, it's made for kids, that will turn off the comment. From here, you have to tick on no, it is not made for kids. Once you turn on that, now again head back once again, and in here at the very bottom you will see comments, so tap on that. From here also make sure that you have turned on that comments as well. Again head one step back. Now once you're done with all of this, but before that, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get further updates from our channel. Now once you're done with all of this, simply you have to tap on the save from the upper right corner, which will save your settings and will activate comments on YouTube. That's all, and I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.